This month on Pathways to the Future, we're very proud to be highlighting our annual Counselor Roadshows. Each year we visit our 7 high schools and bring counselors along to walk through CRY-ROP classrooms and hear from student ambassadors to learn about all the great things they're learning and how it's going to positively impact their futures.
Today in the welding pathway, we decided to demonstrate to our counselors gas metal arc welding, also known as MIG. We're running in the front position, flat, so we aim arc down. It tends to be drag motion. I forget which counselor it was, but she actually made a decent pretty bead right here for the very first time. What would you think about that, Abel?
Honestly, I think it was a really great experience for her. She got to lay down some beads, get a little hands-on with the rest of the welding pathway. It was a really good learning experience for all of us.
I had no idea the level of excitement I was going to see when I walked into the classrooms. And so going into each of the different programs and visiting and seeing former students that maybe weren't always engaged as a middle school student, completely engaged and excited to see me and wanting to show me what they were working on, whether it was in the auto shop or, working on the construction and cutting wood. It was just like, oh my goodness, this is amazing.
It was great seeing my middle school counselor today, seeing her, and when she was my counselor, I would go in there and we worked on me wanting to be a nurse. And now, about 2 years later, I'm not in the nursing program anymore, I'm in the auto tech program, and I was really happy that I got to see her and tell her about how the auto tech program has opened me up to other opportunities and opened me up to what I really want to do. And it was great to just see her again because me and her had a really great connection back when I was in middle school.
We are honored to receive the Golden Bell Award for our Counselor Roadshow. This recognition is a huge accomplishment for our team and the students who play a key role in making it a success. Thank you for celebrating this milestone with us.